I have got here the rest of the colors from this stunning collection off AliExpress. So I want to see what they all look like. Got my swatches ready with my black tips, and I am going to do these up and take a look at these beautiful colors. Here they are in all their glory, finished and top coated, each one more stunning than the last. In all of my incredible polishes, I don't have anything in a combination that is this beautiful. I have lots of cat eyes and a few opal glitter looks that are similar, but nothing quite like these. It's still hard to imagine that they were only a couple of dollars Canadian per bottle. Let me know in the comments what you think of the full color collection and if you've run out to pick these up yet. Now keep in mind that I do not have the safety data sheets to know what ingredients are in them or how well or long they might last on an actual client. But on looks alone, these are straight up a winner. These polishes are glitter and magnetic particle packed, so do expect them to be a bit gloopy with so much good stuff in it. Even with that, they still apply quite smoothly, and you don't have to fuss too much at all with the particle distribution, unlike some glitters. I'm so glad you stopped by to have a watch. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description for this set, which I do not make anything off of, by the way. I just absolutely love it. As well, I'll also leave links to my coupon codes for other brands and shops, which sometimes I do get affiliate links for. Thanks again for the support, guys. And until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye!